Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food vlog. Now let's start making on how to make the delicious and simple carrot cake. For the ingredients, we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 cups of canola oil or cooking oil, 2 cups of white sugar, 6 pieces of medium white eggs, 1 teaspoon of iodized salt, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of cashew nuts or peanuts, 1 cup of dried raisins, 3 cups of shredded carrots, and for the last, we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the delicious moist carrot cake. For the first step, in a large mixing bowl, add all eggs and mix it well. Now add the brown sugar, mix it for 1 minute. Now add the canola oil, then mix it well. Now add the white sugar and the vanilla extract, mix it for 1 to 2 minutes and set aside. For the next step, in another mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour, give a quick mix using a wire whisk or a fork. Now add the baking soda, the iodized salt, the baking powder, and the cinnamon powder. Mix it well until all ingredients are combined. For the next step, in a large bowl, transfer the wet ingredients. Then add the half-dry ingredients, then mix it well. Now add the remaining dry ingredients, mix it well for about 3 minutes. When all ingredients are already mixed, now add the cashew nuts or the peanuts, the dried raisins, and the fresh carrots. Now use a spoon or a spatula, then mix it all until all ingredients are combined. Now grease your baking pan with oil or a butter and add wax paper. Then grease also the top of your wax paper. Now transfer the cake carrot mixture to the baking pan and spread it evenly. Baking time in 160 Celsius for about 1 hour to 1 hour to 10 minutes or until the toothpick is cleaned out.
A few moments later.
After baking, let it cool and set aside. For the next step, in a bowl, add 1 cup of confectioner sugar and 1/2 cup of heavy cream, mix it well and set aside. For the next step, we need 2 large of fresh carrots, then remove the skin. Now use the peeler to make a thin strips carrots. Now transfer the strips carrots in a bowl. For the next step, preheat the pan in low heat and add the 50 grams of butter and let it melt. Then add the fresh strips carrots and the sugar, mix it well for about 1 minute. And transfer in a bowl and set aside. When the carrot cake is already cool, remove from the pan and the wax paper. Now slice the carrot cake, depends on the size and how many pieces you want. Always remember, be careful of using knives. After slicing the cake, pour the confectioner milk sugar to the cake and spread it evenly. And for the last, put the sweet strips carrots to the top of the cake in every cake slices. And this is our easy, delicious, moist carrot cake. Serve it with a smile. Enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Vlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!